What kind of noise are you making, Miss May? Hey? What kind of noise? What kind of noise are you making? Are you the big bird? Look at you. Oh my goodness, look at you. What a nutty bird. You look like Big Bird, Miss May. I don't think you know what to think of this cold weather and all this snow. You're all puffed up? Are you the big bird in the jungle? Come on. Come on. Let me give you a pat. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. You're nice, birdie. Did you just needed a little bit of attention? Is that what you need? Hey? Yeah. Should we go get you some fruit? Maybe we'll get you some fruit, okay, Miss May? Would you like something to eat? Some fruit and maybe some peas? Because you like peas in a pod. You like to pick the peas out of the pod. Yeah, you do. You're such a baby. Okay, we'll go get you some food, okay? Oh, you're still back at it again. Oh my goodness. Are you wanting more pats? Is that what she wants? She wants more pats. Oh, we're going to have to put a cover over if you keep this up. Oh my gosh.